Alright guys, we have made it to our destination. Where we at, babe?
We're at Eden Rock, Miami Beach.
Yep. And we have the oceanfront room. Okay, I guess he wanna pop out.
Yo, what's up, y'all? Y'all tuning in.
To your right?
To your right, we got. Oh, it's the bathroom timeout. So if y'all just normally will come into the hotel, you would think this is what, a closet? But no, it's the bathroom. Look, come on, guys, follow me. Located directly to your right. Hope this is. Oh, this
is the toilet.
Toilet.
I was about to say shower.
I was just definitely saying shower. It kind of probably was a shower.
Probably not, babe.
Probably not?
No, that's probably how they designed it.
They designed it like that. But
then we got this big old mirror here.
Yeah.
They gonna put his makeup on there.
What? Uh-oh. Mirror broke.
Mirror broke.
Gotta let them know about that. Don't charge me no $200. They do charge $200 a night.
For deposit.
A night.
Okay.
This
got the dual faucet.
Here goes the shower right here.
Oh, dang.
Somebody was in there?
Almost died, guys. Look at that.
Well, somebody in there.
Step in. Oh, yeah, that's wet. We're supposed to make sure this is completely dry. So, maybe she wasn't done. I don't know, because her car is right outside. She gonna have to come back.
She gonna have to come back.
We need to go back and
You stay right there. You stay right there.
Alright, we got a jetted jacuzzi tub. We're gonna go get our own good stuff.
Cause you know, when she in there, I'll be peeking. I see you.
It's a peeping Tom, guys. Gross. Alright. We got the rainfall shower head, and then of course the handheld. You put that all over the body, but don't put it on the body.
His and her sink?
Yeah, I said I got a dual faucet.
I thought it'd be right there and right there. So I still gotta be bumping elbows with you close up there?
No, we both right-handed, babe.
Oh, okay, you right. Man!
Alright, now let's take them to the foyer.
Let's go to the foyer shine.
Oh, what's behind you though?
Let's check it out. Let me close these doors for you. You hurt yourself or something.
Yeah, because the hallway's kind of narrow.
Real narrow. I was bringing the suitcase in. I'm like, what's going on here?
And this probably is just a closet, guys.
Okay, a little closet.
Yeah, a little bit.
Something you can hang, put your shoes on it probably? No?
No, that's for your luggage space, so you don't got to break your back.
Oh, okay.
Then it got a little wet, well, no wet bar.
Oh, wait.
It's just a little...
Your drawers. If you're sleeping way over there and you
put a whole body over here in this drawer, though.
No body? Really?
Whole body. Baby. Be careful.
It's not vinegar.
Yeah.
What's this in here? Okay, here we go. It's
another closet. Okay, with the safe, of course. Got the iron, necessary. Ironing board.
Yeah, no, you know what I'm saying? I got that big bankroll. Don't try to steal it. I had to put it up, you know. What's this here? Oh, we got some. Most hotels don't come with these.
You gotta go buy them.
You gotta go buy them. We do got some coffee.
Yeah. Got a little Keurig looking thing called Lavazza.
About that
Lavazza.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I put the breast milk at, guys. I got a pump while I'm here.
Whoa.
Is it locked? Did you open the wrong side? It gotta be the side, right?
Wait a minute. Come on, zoom in down here.
Let's see. There's some information here. If you decide to spoil yourself, and hopefully you will, please note items removed from the private bar will be charged automatically to your room. A $40 restocking fee will be charged when the private bar is used for personal items. Refrigerators for personal items are available through housekeeping. For assistance, please dial 0. Guess I gotta dial 0 because I have to pump.
So, let me think about this.
Let's go to the bed.
Let's go to the bed. All right.
All right, and then as soon as you walk into this area right here, guys, this is kind of like the main area. We got this high top here for you to sit down and eat your food, of course. Got the double chairs.
Nice, beautiful view, though.
Then you walk over here, we got the king size bed.
We're here for a reason, too. It's for her birthday, guys.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
Yada.
3/6.
3/6.
It's my birthday.
On 3/6.
Yeah,
Hey,
that's
be 3-6.
that's the day I was born. No,
Okay.
negative. 3-5. Got a little sitting area right at the bottom of the bed. A little TV looking like a little 42, 47 inch. And of course, a little table. He gonna take you to the outside though.
Let me see. If I just be like, you know what I'm saying? If I just want to clear my mind, I can just sit right here and just see how far my thoughts go.
Let's see what he see, guys. So this is what he see. That's very relaxing. It's a good view. All right, let's take y'all out to the beach.
Come on.
So like we said, we got the oceanfront view. And it's a nice sized little balcony. It's kind of scary to me because we're too high up. We're on the 16th floor. And check that ocean out, guys. Don't that look lovely? Look at that.
Look lovely. My damn sure ain't getting that close.
And this ain't no balcony where you can get it in. Well, you can try it in a corner, but look, it's connected to everybody else. So don't get your freak on out here, guys. Unless it's super dark.
They do it.
And then we got lots of pools. Go ahead, show them the pools because I'm not getting on the edge.
All right, let me show. I ain't gonna drop my phone. You see that? We're trying to go eat somewhere, man. We're finna check out what we got to eat in this here room. Or we're finna go get some sloppy food. Is that a abandoned hotel over there? I don't know, man, but we got the Malibu area, Malibu Farm. You know, I don't get too close to no edge either, y'all. So it's a dude in that water, man. Look at that dude in that water, y'all. Dude in that water. He ain't playing no games. I want to see him dive in there. You remember that song? That's that movie Jaws. Dun 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 dun. I think that's how it goes. Speedboat. Oh, that's a fishing boat. Marlins. Probably be catching marlins in that bad boy. Yeah, we are in Florida though. All right, y'all. We back at y'all in a minute. Holla back. Happy birthday. There she go. There she go.
All right, guys, we back with the review. This is day what, babe?
3.
This is day 3. And we've been enjoying ourselves here in Miami. Babe, what's this place called?
Eden Rock.
No, what's this city called?
Miami Beach.
Miami, guys. He back there enjoying. What you enjoying?
I'm gonna show y'all. Poke bowl.
Now, is it a poke
tuna.
bowl or poke? How do you think you say it?
I don't know. We got
What's in there?
avocado, salmon, some type of mess right here. Little
Seaweed, right?
got my seaweed in there. Yeah.
And the grape tomatoes.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Grape tomato. It's fire, man. This hotel got limited food, so I had to find something to eat.
Yeah, they got limited food. They got 3 restaurants, I believe. One of it is a cafe. What's the cafe called? Inez Cafe, and they just got like breakfast stuff, sandwiches, parfaits, little stuff like that. And then they got another like
Cuban.
It's an Asian fusion type of restaurant.
Oh, it's Nobu.
Yeah, and the hotel is also called Nobu too as well.
Yeah, Nobu.
So it's 2 hotels actually, guys, in this hotel. So when you come in if you walk in, you hold your right hand up, you look to the right. This is where we are located at Eden Rock. And then if you look to the left, I believe that side is called Nobu or Nobu, Nobu. And
Nobu. That's what it's called. That's all I know about it.
We at Eden Rock, and we have discovered at this hotel that when we walked in, as you guys already viewed, that the setup is okay or whatnot, but everything ain't great. It ain't peaches and cream, right, babe? The view is good.
We got amazing view. They see it at nighttime.
Yeah. He gonna show you the view. Go ahead, babe. Show him the view.
Let me tell y'all something. Listen here, man. The view is amazing. I can't complain about the view, but there's a lot of things I'm gonna tell y'all about this here place. I tell y'all what. Hold it now. Amazing view. Look at me now. Yep, that's all the pools back there and all that. So look, man, look, we 16th floor up. I'm a little scared. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm a little scared. A little scary over there. Forget that. I'm getting back in here. Yeah. Parking sucks.
You have to elaborate. You can't just say.
Let me tell you why the parking sucks, right? So they want to charge you $54 a night.
No, wrong.
How much is
That's
it?
for valet.
Valet.
That's two different things. Parking is when you park your own car. Valet is when you want to be front door pull up.
Who gonna check me, boo?
Because you gotta give
See,
them
there
the
she
real
go.
details.
Okay, I'm gonna give you the real
If
details.
you're gonna give a review, you gotta let them know. So if you guys want valet, that's $50 a night. And a night means like if you came here at 11 and you left in the morning, you come back, it's over. It's not like 24 hours. It's more like you come at 11, you leave at 6 a.m., that's your night.
It's a wrap for you, buddy.
But next door to us is a parking lot. No, a parking lot. And you gotta pay the parking lot through Park Mobile. It's a little app you gotta put on your phone, you have to. And then you can't just park there for a couple hours. It's an automatically 24-hour parking lot. So that's $20.35 a night. So you have to pay that every night. So if you're here for 5 nights, just chuck that to the bill because you will be paying that every night. And then what else, babe? With these rooms, they didn't tell us specifically. We're going to also double check in the detail, but you have to rent everything. If you want a mini
whoa.
No, if you want a mini refrigerator, it's $30 a night. If you want a microwave, it's $30 a night.
So,
and there's no community microwave at all. So when I say community, I mean like most hotels, if they don't have microwaves in the room, you can go downstairs to the lobby and use the microwave. That ain't happening here. And it's not $30 a night, it's just one flat fee. So if you want a microwave and a mini fridge in your room,
if you had a luxury hotel,
man, you can't talk over me. You gotta wait your turn. So, like I said, $30 flat fee for both of those. So that's $60 for the whole stay when you're here, which is crazy because it shouldn't be a fee. They sure got a whole little mini refrigerator, as you guys seen, in the room already. I ain't asked for that. Go ahead, elaborate on how you feel, babe.
No, your feelings already done. Bruh. Get the hair off my face. She's swinging the hair off my face, guys. See that? Man, wait a minute. Let me ask y'all something. If you're staying in a luxury hotel, have you ever rented a microwave? Have you ever rented a refrigerator? $30? So look, it took them, my iron was broke, right? So I had to iron my shirt, you know, I had to iron the shirt, right? It took them 2 days to bring me up an iron. The iron that we had was broke, and I told them, hey, when we first got here, hey guys, found out the iron wasn't working. Can you guys bring me up another one? They said, okay, we sure will. It took them 2 days to bring me an iron. I'm thinking to myself, well, what is everybody doing? For them to take 2 days to bring me an iron. And guess what? I called back twice. The room service sucks. Let me tell you why the room service is no good. We asked, hey guys, we didn't get any face towels to our room. And they're like, oh, okay, we'll bring some up. They brought us a bunch of dry towels, no face rags. So we like, oh, okay, can you guys bring us up some more? So they did that, brought us up a bunch. So then we asked for, hey, can we get housekeeping? Because we left in the morning. You know, I normally leave in the morning.
Let me elaborate on that because you're not even saying it right. You just doing a lot of jibber jabber. All right, guys. So I'm back with the housekeeping thing. You have to request housekeeping, I believe. So we did not request housekeeping.
You don't never have to do that.
All right. Why are you talking over me again?
Okay.
Do you need something or do you want something? I didn't think so. All right, guys. Once again, I'm back. But so it is COVID-19. Rules are different. Everybody's different. All the hotels are different. They set up differently. They don't want to just come in your room if you don't want them in your room. So it's okay that they would like us to request that, but they should also let us know when we check in, you have to request room service. Or it should be also like put in some type of little wording like they have everything else in wording. They should put it in wording so we know that we got to request it. But once we realized you got to request it, we did so. And then when we requested it, they came to our room, They changed 2 of the trash cans and just brought more towels on top of the towels that they already brought. No vacuuming. They didn't fix my bed or change my sheets. Like, none of that. Like, that's the part of housekeeping. Like, what's going on here? We want fresh linen. We don't want to keep laying in the same linen. But, yeah, they did not fix us up like they should. We came back and we was disappointed. Very disappointed, right? Guys, he is crazy.
Hey, man.
And then he like to talk like for 39 minutes, like all my reviews that I do myself, they be short and sweet. He will be like,
get back here.
He'll be like, guys, do you know about the microwave? Like, first of all, y'all don't even know what he's talking about. So I'll be telling him, keep it, piquito.
Listen, guys. Can I sing to y'all?
No, man, you can do that. You can make a singing channel for that. It ain't about that. Like,
There she go again.
I just want to sing to y'all. He don't like when I keep it real.
She don't like that. I can see.
Like
No. She don't like that.
I'm gonna keep it 1,000 wow.
So you tell me I can't sing?
You can't though.
But
this is also not a singing channel. So if you want to sing, make a singing channel.
I'm just start singing and talking. I don't care. No, man. Look, let me tell y'all, right? So we asked like literally just to tighten up the room, like for real, tighten it up.
Man,
let me show y'all. There. Here goes the $30 rent refrigerator. $30 rent refrigerator, man. And it's the iron I was talking about. So I asked him to bring me one of these. He brought it 2 days later. I'm not playing. Yeah, remember I said about those face towels? They brought a gang of them. Look. This the room service, y'all. I mean, it's the housekeeping. It's a housekeeping. Don't worry about it. Oh, when they said they did housekeeping, this is what they did. Just stock this up. Just that's all they did, stock this up. That's housekeeping, guys. You tell me. Should I be mad or no? I'm just saying, I'm just trying to keep it real. Keep it 1,000 wow. See that light? A moment in the...
All right, guys. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to be closing this video out. Tonight is our last night. We'll holler at you later. Peace.
Oh, just cooling, chilling. Got a question for you. If you was born 5 years ago, how old would you be?
If who was born 5 years ago?
I said, if you were born 5 years ago, how old would you be?
If I was born 5 years ago?
Yes, how old would you be?
I'll be 67. 68.
If you were born 5 years ago.
I'll be 5.
Got it? You got it?
If you were born 5 years ago, how old would you be, Mom?
I wouldn't be.
Okay. If you were born 5 years ago.